we are looking at how to pronounce this name, we'll be looking at how to say more names also from the Bible that are confusing, biblical names many struggle with or mispronounce, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So let's break down how you pronounce this name. Zebulun, Zebulun, with a stress, as you can see, on that first Z syllable. So it's actually easy once you know. Zebulun is how you pronounce the name of this biblical character. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. Thanks for that. More videos for you here to learn more names from the Bible and correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.